Hi, I'm Ty with City of Inglewood's Rogers Park, and today we're going to make strawberry milkshakes without ice cream. The ingredients that you will need to make strawberry milkshakes without ice cream is milk, frozen strawberries, 1 egg, sugar, vanilla extract, and whipped cream for your toppings. Now it's time to make the strawberry milkshake without ice cream. Let's take the lid off. Make sure your items are all clean. Let's add the 1/2 cup of milk. Then let's add the 1 egg. Ooh, splash. Let's add the 1 cup of strawberries. Get in there. The 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Place your lid back on. And let's get ready to blend. Shake it up. I think that should be good. Strawberry milkshake. Perfect. Let's add some whip. Doesn't it look yummy? Let me give it a try. Pretty good. Now that's how you make a strawberry milkshake without ice cream. But if you don't want to use milk, you can always use half and half or malt powder and even ice to make it a little bit more creamier. You can also add bananas or any other type of fruit that you want in this healthy, easy, fun cooking treat. Thank you for watching. Please come back for more cooking ideas with me, Ty.